Hey YouTube, how's it going? This is Sylvester with your September Fright Crate box. This month's quote is from Jordan Peele, and it says, "Like comedy, horror has an ability to provoke thought and further the conversation on real social issues." There you go, right there, Fright Crate. So this is my first Fright Crate box. I think this month's was Stranger Things, 13 Ghosts, It 2, and also this was the first Fright Crate box that has a Blu-ray DVD. Alright, so let's open it up and see what we got. So the first thing we got here, some paper. Let's see, it looks like It themed shirt. How does that look? Pretty cool. The Loser Club. Pretty cool, right? Alright, what else we got here? We got a pin. Looks like it's from Jigsaw. Right? It's nice. Into that. And then we got the DVD, the Blu-ray DVD, first one that's been issued on this Fright Crate for September. It says Jack Brooks Monster Slayer and has Robert Englund in it. Alright, there you go. And then what else we got here? We got a, looks like a pop-up stand. Stranger Things, that's pretty cool. Looks like this is from the first season, Stranger Things. Alright, what else we got? We got a box right here. And yep, it's from 13 Ghosts. Forget her name. Little resin, 4-inch resin. Alright, there's some assembly instructions, but that was it. That's pretty much it. All that came in the box. The exclusive 4-inch Angry Princess bust, right? That was in this box. The Losers Reunite t-shirt, right? The Losers Reunite. Let me see. Blu-ray, Jack Brooks Monster Slayer, the Stranger Things standee. It's an 8x10 by the Stranger Things poster. Demogorgon not included, that's what it says. And then we got the Kramer pin, which is a Saw pin, enamel pin. Alright, there you go. That's for the September 2019 modern horror theme. Alright. Thank you for viewing or watching this video, and stay tuned for next month's, which I think it has it on here. It is the 3rd anniversary Evil Dead 2, Halloween, Elvira, and Psycho. Alright, so I got that one too. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.